Now we move to last stall, which is the star stall. They will more introduce about their stall and what they are actually doing. They will tell about it.
So, we are tasked from Triple IT Bhubaneswar. Here we have showcased the ongoing projects and the ones which we are currently working on. So, first following is the line follower project, which would be having in our competitions. The follow up is the one that robot that we have to happen to be the winner from the Robo Soccer competition and the runner up in the Robo Sumo competition. The next one being the TARS first project, that is Sakha. Sakha is a home automation robotics project. So Rishal would be introducing with the other following lineup projects.
Okay, so basically, this one is, as you can see, this one is the Sand Rover bot, which has been used in the IIT Kharagpur competition, and it has bagged fifth position in that. And this one, as you can see, it is a prototype. It is not made completely, but it is used for multi-purpose agriculture activities, as you can see. And
So furthermore, we could showcase some things that Sakha could do. So now Pratyusha will be going on.
So Sakha was built to help in household chores to the elderly or the differently able or the children's. So this is a prototype model. In future, we are planning to develop a model which can be used to help the people to do actual chores like switching on off and on of TV or lights and fans, or bringing objects to them. And it can also answer questions and guide people in different ways. Like if an elderly is there in the house and she is unaware of how to use a microwave, so we can use it like, hey, can you please say me how to use a microwave to heat up my rice?
Sure, here's how to heat your rice in the microwave. 1. Put the rice in a microwave safe bowl. 2. Sprinkle a little water over it. 3. Cover the bowl. 4. Heat for 1 to 2 minutes. 5. Stir and check. Heat more if needed. 6. Enjoy.
Okay, it was also quite great. So what is this? Can you tell me about it?
So this is a variable power supply developed by our seniors in our TARS. So in that we have a transformer model and two MOSFET, which will provide around 100 watt and 100 watt 200 watt power. In that here we get the DC supply, and here we have a AC supply. We have used a relay module here also to cut off this voltage when we want to generate AC supply from here. We can charge batteries, mobiles using the source. Here we have on and off switch, so using both of these wires we can connect and charge the batteries and mobiles and anything. And from this switch we can get output supplies too.
Okay, thank you. It was quite great. Also, this society is also doing some great activities. So let's see in the next year. Thank you, and thank you being a part of your video.